Well, hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean. Today we are going into a huge beauty unboxing. So hopefully you've got your pen and paper out. Hopefully you'll shop my stash if there's something that you see that you would actually like. I love these types of videos because we get to see what's new, what's different, what's out there. And trust me, I watch a ton of videos where everyone is doing their huge luxury makeup hauls, and I'm watching their videos and taking notes as well. So without further ado, let's get into this. Hi friends, so the first set of products that I got was from Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Powder Foundation in the shade 410. So this is what it looks like, but this is going to be put to the side for a giveaway. The other shade that they sent me is 400. I've been using this one already, so forgive me. I'm so in love with these, and they're refillable, I think, and they have a little sponge applicator that they give you to the bottom, but I didn't keep it. But I really enjoy this powder. I've used this in a number of my videos. And the other thing that they sent to me, and you all know that I am a huge lover of the original gloss bomb, was the color Fenty Glow. So this is the original that came out when she first launched. I'm actually going to put this in a giveaway because I also have this already in my collection. And this was also sent in PR from Merit Cosmetics. Look at this beautiful little brown bag. I absolutely love it. It's more like corduroy. So I wanted to show you all some of the products I got. The first one is the highlighting balm. This is like a day glow, and the color is Bounce. So I'll show you what that looks like. So, ooh. Oh, that looks like that's gonna be really nice. I'm just gonna swatch that. Oh, that is pretty. And they sent me out the volumizing pomade. This is their mascara. I love the gold packaging, and it has Merit written on the front. I'm not going to open this because I don't want to dry out product. This one is blush number 1, a blending brush. So I'm going to show you all what that looks like. Really nice. Look at that. The next product that I got from Merit is the Perfecting Complexion Stick, and this one is in the shade Camel. Very luxe, but it's like a yellowy, I would have to put that on top of another, I feel like a darker concealer, but this is beautiful. This is a foundation though, so I'll have to use this more like a concealer as opposed to a foundation for sure. And then the next product that they sent me was the Perfecting Complexion Stick in Chestnut. So this should be my shade. Yeah. So that's Chestnut there, and I'm sure when I blend that out, that should be beautiful. And I think I may be able to get away with this color. We'll see. I will do a dedicated video to this just so you all can see, just in case you're curious about Merit. So a huge thank you to Merit Cosmetics for sending this out to me. I am so grateful and very thankful for all of these wonderful products. All right friends, so the next products that I ended up purchasing is from Tom Ford. I got their Traceless Soft Matte Foundation in the shade Chestnut. Really love this. I haven't tried it yet, but I loved how it looked when it was swatched on me by the SA at Neiman Marcus. I also have the 3 lip products from them. One is 512 Vivain. This is really nice, and look at this color. It's gorgeous. And you all know I really love like those pinky mauvey nudes. Other one that I got was the Tom Ford 100 EQ. Look at this color. So I'm looking forward to playing around with this also. And the last shade is 02, the Bertine. And I really love this color. This one looks a little bit more brown in its hue. So that's what I got from Tom Ford. I've never tried anything from Surrat before, and I purchased just 2 products. One is an eyeshadow, and it's this beautiful blue denim looking shade. Look at that, friends. I cannot wait to play with this. I'm definitely going to do a video using this so you all can see what this looks like. Then I think this is going to be beautiful for the summer and spring. Look at this color, friends. It's more like an orangey shade on your cheeks, on your eyes. You can do so much with this. Black, brown hues combinations happening on the eyes. It's just beautiful, just absolutely stunning. The next products that I received in PR was from Jennifer Lopez, her beauty line. And this one is the Star Filter Complexion Booster, so I can't wait to use this on my skin. And then the other one is the Blockbuster Wonder Cream. And this is some really luxe packaging. It looks like an art piece. But yes, thank you so much to JLo for sending out these products. I can't wait to use this. I really want to see what this would look like on my face, like as a, you know, to bronze my skin as a highlighter kind of thing, because it does say highlight, bronze, and diffuse, but I guess it's meant for the body. It doesn't say. I will play around with this and then let you all know my thoughts on it. But yes, thank you to JLo Beauty for sending this out to me. Again, I'm truly blessed and very grateful. I'm still trying to finish my Gucci collection. I have a few things, but I still need more to complete my collection. I ended up getting the eyeliner, and this one is in Celeste. It's a beautiful blue shade, and I use this in my waterline in one of my videos, and it is so pretty, and it goes beautiful with blue. Well, it goes beautiful with blue, but also purple. And then the other thing I got was their brow pencil in the shade Brun, which is brown. And a lot of people talk about this. This is 04. It actually has the little spoolie for, you know, doing your brows, and then the pencil on the other side. What I do love too is that they give you a little sharpener to go with it. So yeah, I got those. The other thing that I got was the Gucci powder. Now, a lot of people brag about this powder. I've used this once since I've opened it because I wanted to wait until I did this video, and it's very blurring. And Gucci came out with the deeper shades, some deeper shades. I think they had stopped at 11 and then they went 12 and 13, if I'm not mistaken. So I got the shade number 12. I want to show you all what this looks like, and it is so stunning. I am truly a sucker for packaging. Look at the packaging on this. It's like, it comes in this velvet peach-like case and this beautiful compact. It is so gorgeous on, and it has the little, it's refillable. And I can't find the other products that I purchased within this line. I gave a lip pencil to my mother. It's chestnut. And then I kept one for myself, was cork. And then I bought the pressed powder, the skin finish, and I gave it to my mom. And I also bought the matte lipstick. This one is Velvet Teddy. This is from MAC Cosmetics. But my cousin wears this a ton, and she swears by this color. So this is what the color looks like. I'll swatch it for you all. That is pretty. It reminds me of Endless from Chanel. So last, but certainly not least, is the grand finale of all the products. Chanel off West 57th in New York City, along with my essay, really do take excellent care of me. The 57th Street store always sends me these lovely gifts during the holidays. So I got this envelope from them, and they invited me to a private screening of the Metadot collection, and I actually went. And then this one is from the Cruise 2021 collection. It is absolutely so beautiful, and I'm really grateful to Chanel for sending this to me. So they send you a little bit of information on the Cruise collection campaign, and they actually send you this lovely booklet which I absolutely adore. I read about Chanel all the time. I really love Chanel. I feel like her struggles parallel a lot of mine, although I was not given up for adoption, but some of the struggles I definitely can identify with. They also sent me the Le Lion perfume, which I don't have with me because I'm traveling, and they sent me this beautiful hairpin that I am absolutely in love with, and I cannot wait to wear this in my hair. There we go. It is so, so pretty. I'm so grateful, very blessed. The Rouge Coco Bloom keychain, and I also got the Rouge Coco Bloom carrying case that I absolutely love. So I'm gonna put these on my keys. I will leave Jelissa's information down below, friends. If you want an essay that's really gonna take care of you, please reach out to Jelissa. And I also got some stickers here. So now let's get into this unboxing of Chanel's products, because I wanna show you all. And this box smells so lovely. Wow. You know, I was just scrolling through Chanel's website, which I always do. You all know that I'm a huge lover of Chanel. Thank you to Carolyn, my good friend. And look at the packaging. I've showed this on my Instagram. Sorry, friends. I had to interrupt this program because I can't show you what's in this box, because this box is actually for another video. So I'm gonna put this one to the side. So I am gonna open up this one so you all can see what I have in this one. You could definitely keep your ribbons. I say keep these. They work beautifully in little girls' hair. They work beautifully on books, whatever you want to put those on. First one is the 91 Caramel Concealer. Everybody has been talking about this concealer and how much they love it. So I wanted to purchase me one. This has more of a golden yellow undertone to it. So I'm looking forward to using this in a makeup tutorial with you all, especially if you're my skin tone and you really want to see what the finish is going to be on this. Another Rouge Profonde. I'm scared that the original formula of this is going to go, so I bought another one, and if you have not seen what that looks like, I'll show you all. It's a beautiful red shade, just gorgeous, gorgeous. This is one of my favorite colors to use on my eyes, my cheeks. It's just very, very beautiful. So friends, please forgive me, my battery died and I had to move to another part of the room. The other product that I purchased from Chanel is the Pink Explosion. Comes in this beautiful velvet case, as we know Chanel does, and it has the white CCs, and this is that color. Look how beautiful this is. Wow, I cannot wait to do a video with you all, like another get ready with me or vlog style video. You know, I love to do vlogs. I've done vlogs in the past, but imagine this with a purple or with a nice brown, a rich brown shade, almost like the one in the Jackie Aina palette. And it says that it lasts 18 months. So you're getting a good shelf life off of this. Okay, and about my jewelry, I got a couple of DMs about my jewelry and where do I get my jewelry from. So the classic CCs actually go through an essay to get. I got these from the West 57th location in New York City, but I will tell you, friends, I know that people are selling these on like Vesta Collective or on the Real, but I will not sell my classic CC studs because I literally have been on a waiting list since December for another pair. It's really hard to get your hands on Chanel earrings. So, you know, I know it's an investment piece. That's what a lot of people say, even though it's fashion jewelry, because you can sell it for even more when you get it, but it's really hard to get it. And then when I have to wait so long to get it, I would be even more reluctant to sell your classic CCs. So that's how this works with these earrings. This necklace and the other necklace that I love to wear is from Ana Luisa. And I'm a brand ambassador with Ana Luisa. They are a sustainable brand and they have a beautiful dainty jewelry. And if you use the code SeanK, I think it is, I'll leave the code down below in the description box. You can get I think it's like 15% off your purchase. And then these pieces that I typically wear all the time on my channel is from Tiffany & Co. This is the hardware ball ring, the narrow ring, and also the hardware bracelet. But I just wanted everyday jewelry that I can pass on to my nieces. Again, a huge thank you to all of you for, you know, really seeing my worth and supporting me, and, you know, making me relevant on this platform where brands are really reaching out and wanting to send me products. And please know that I will be giving back to my subscribers.